Good afternoon. So today we are learning how we can ask to somebody's opinion, right? So firstly, let me introduce myself. My name is Rakhi and I'm just going to tell you few points or few lines that you can add on if you are not using. So any of them you can pick. So let's start. We can say what do you think about or what do you think about this topic or about this concern. Thereafter we do have option to say, if you want to say, what do you think about that matter. Thirdly, you can also say what's your opinion, what's your viewpoint about it, or what's your point of view about that particular matter or concern. Either you can choose this option to say, are you aware of or have you heard about it before or have you heard about it earlier. Then you can also choose to say, what would your reaction if I say or if I ask to you, if you want to know how that person will react after hearing about this topic. Thereafter we have option to say, what are you feeling about it, how that person is feeling, or what's his point of view about that particular matter. And next you can say, would it be logical to say, or would it be wrong to say, or would it be right to say. So here you can add on, either you can say right or either you can say wrong. That depends upon the situation or that depends upon the matter. Lastly, you can say, I would be very interested to hear about your views on, if you want to hear about that person, what he is feeling about it.